In this tutorial of Dreamweaver, we're going to show you how to create PayPal shopping carts and donate buttons. Now, you could go to paypal.com and use their wizard to generate the HTML code and plug it in directly to your website. But an easier way doing that is to use the PayPal extension for Dreamweaver. So if you are a Dreamweaver user, you could just add the extension to the application so you could generate the same HTML code that you need. And that's what we're going to show you today. Um, we're using here Dreamweaver CS3, and the PayPal extension doesn't come by default installed. So what you have to do is, the first step is to get the extension file and install it. The PayPal extension for Dreamweaver is made by a company called WebAssist. So if you go to this URL, webassist.com, and so when you get there, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, go to sitemap, and then from here search for PayPal, and the toolkit that you need is the PayPal e-commerce toolkit. So if you click on that, you'll see that the toolkit, the extension, is actually free. So go ahead and add it to the shopping cart. It's gonna ask you to log in, register using a username and password, and then once you grab the file, go ahead and download the file and install it. Now, once you successfully install the extension, you will see that Dreamweaver adds a new tab called PayPal here. So that's when you know that the extension has been successfully installed. So once you get there, go ahead and create a new file, and just gonna create a new file here. And you will see that if you click on the PayPal tab here, you will see 5 new buttons here. The first one is Insert PayPal Buy Now button. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. And once I do that, it's gonna, take me through a quick wizard to add the HTML code for me. So in step 1, it's asking me for the PayPal account. So if you have a account with PayPal, go ahead and put in your email address. If you don't, you can sign up for a free account with PayPal. So I'm just gonna say paypal@domain.com and then click on next. On step 2 here, you just select the button that you want. So I'm just gonna select PayPal Pay Now, Buy Now, and then in step 3, it's asking me to select an item name service. So I'm just gonna say some item, and the item number field is actually optional, so I'm just gonna leave it blank. The next field is the price for the item, so I'm just gonna say $10. And it's asking me here if I want to allow users to purchase more than one item, so I'm just gonna check that, say yes, and then click on next. This is all optional, but it's in this field it's asking me for the base shipping, so I'm just gonna say $2. And the extra shipping for extra items, I'm gonna leave that blank, and the handling, I'm gonna leave that blank as well. Ask buyers to provide you with their shipping address, and I'm just gonna say no, and I'm gonna leave this check as yes to allow customers to optionally include a note with their payment, and I'm just gonna click on next. This is also optional. You could specify a success URL page where when users make the payment, the system will route them automatically to the success page or a cancel URL page. So I'm just gonna leave that blank for now and hit on finish, and let's look at it in the browser. And here, as you see, so if I click on buy now, takes me to the PayPal page, and as you see, the unit price is $10, the quantity 1, and the shipping and handling is $2. So if I go ahead and for example change the quantity to 2 and say update totals, that becomes $22. So that's the basic idea. The other buttons that you could add is you could do insert PayPal add to cart button. So let's go ahead and do this quickly. Then again, it's going to take you through the same wizard here. So next, add to cart. And for this, I'm just going to put a price of $5. And no, actually that's the description, some item, and the price is $5. I'm just gonna say no for the shipping address and yes for the note. Leave that blank, and here I'm just gonna say $5 item, and let's look at it in the browser. So here, as you see, I have a $5 item, and if I say click on click to cart, add to cart actually, takes me here to the PayPal page, and for some reason it's saying the quantity 3, so I'm just going to change it to 1, update cart, and it's $5 now, and the user could click from here either on proceed to checkout or go back to shopping. So that's the basic idea. You could also do add insert PayPal view cart button or do PayPal donation button. So that's the PayPal extension for Dreamweaver CS3. Hope you found this tutorial useful, and we're working on several new tutorials, so feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.